If you want to trade smarter and not just randomly pick currency pairs, this strategy is going to change the way you approach the market entirely. We're going to use the AI Smart Screener inside pipgems to identify which currency pairs have been performing well historically, then sync everything with live signals, so we're only trading setups that actually make sense. The first step is setting your time window. Since we're trading between 2 and 4 in the morning, we set the start time to 2 a.m. and the end time to 4 a.m. inside the screener. This is important because market behavior changes depending on the session. We want data that reflects exactly the time window we're going to be active in. Next, we select our currency pairs. Make sure you're only picking pairs that are active and available on Pocket Option, and prioritize the ones with higher payouts. Higher payout pairs mean better value on every trade that closes green. Once that's configured, hit Find Hot Pairs and let the screener analyze the data. It goes through over 1,000 historical signals to rank the top performers for your selected time window. The results speak for themselves. Euro AUD is sitting at a 77.3% win rate across 255 trades. Euro CAD comes in at 75.2% across 210 trades. CAD CHF at 70.8, GBP USD at 69.7, AUD JPY at 68.8. These are consistent numbers backed by real historical data, not guesswork. Now here's where it gets practical. Take these results and go to your live signals page. Filter your currency pairs to match exactly what the screener recommended. Remove anything that didn't make the cut. If a pair has a low win rate for your session, there's no reason to be watching it. Keep your focus clean. Set your signal display interval to 1 minute so you catch every entry as it comes in. One thing worth noting about the time window setting: the screener lets you get very specific, and that specificity matters. Instead of a broad 2-hour range, we narrowed it down to 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. Tighter window, more focused data, better quality results. The AI only analyzes signals that occurred within that exact hour, so every pair it surfaces has actually performed well during the time you're planning to trade. That's the kind of precision that makes a real difference. Now we just wait for the signals. CAD CHF fires a put signal. You pull up the chart and the structure confirms it. Price had been pushing upward, and the signal is calling a reversal back down. The trend is already turning. That trade closes green. Next up, AUD JPY shows a pending call signal. You look at the chart and price is already surging upward aggressively. The momentum is strong and the signal is aligned with it. That one closes green as well. Then Euro AUD comes in with a put signal. The payout is around 58%, which is on the lower side. But that's actually fine in this scenario. When payout is lower, it usually means volatility is lower too. Lower volatility means cleaner, more predictable price movement. Reversals are easier to capture. The setup still plays out well, and we got one on that trade. That's the full workflow. Use the screener to identify your best pairs for the session. Sync them into live signals. Filter out the noise. Then trade only the setups that the data already supports. The signals connect to live forex market data through MetaTrader servers, so everything you're seeing is based on real price action, not OTC. These are pure forex pairs, and that matters.